Wemwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. My name is Wanjiru. Today we continue our past tense lessons, and our past tense today is for yesterday. I told you that in Kikuyu we have 4 categories of past tenses. The first one is what happened a few seconds ago or a few moments ago. The second one is what happened earlier today. The third one is what happened yesterday, and that is what we are looking at today. And the last one is what happened a long time ago. I have a few today, but I hope I'm clear enough. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video and give it a thumbs up. Yesterday is ira in Kikuyu, ira. So when we want to say that I did something yesterday or something happened yesterday, we always include the ra in our sentence or in our tense. Our first sentence is I arrived yesterday at 10 a.m. To arrive is wokinya. Arrive is kinya. For me, it's going to be dera. Dera plus the verb plus ire. So in this case, it's going to be dera ki nyire. Ira, dera ki nyire, tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Ira, dera ki nyire, tha inya cia rũcinĩ. If it is you arrived yesterday at 10 a.m. it's going to be ora plus the verb plus ire. So we'll say ora kinyire, where ora kinyire tha inya cia rũcinĩ, or where ora kinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. If it is us, it's going to be tora. Tora plus the verb. Tora kinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Tora kinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. If it is you plural, it will be mora plus the verb plus ire. Mora kinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Inyuĩ mũrakinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. If it's he or she, it's going to be ara plus the verb plus ire. Arakinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Arakinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Them is going to be marakinyire. Marakinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Marakinyire ira tha inya cia rũcinĩ. Our second verb is see. See is honor. Honor. To see is kuona. So our sentence is I saw a beautiful bird yesterday. These sentences don't have to have yesterday, but I will include yesterday in all the sentences. I saw a beautiful bird yesterday. Ndĩronire nyoni thaka ira. Ndĩronire nyoni thaka ira. Or I can say ira ndĩronire nyoni thaka. For you, you saw a beautiful bird yesterday. Ũronire nyoni thaka ira. Ũraonire nyoni thaka ira. For he or she, aronire nyoni thaka ira. Aronire nyoni thaka ira. Our third verb is make, thodeka. I made a chair yesterday. I'll say ndĩrathodekire gĩtĩ ira. Ndĩrathodekire gĩtĩ ira. For you, ũrathondekire gĩtĩ ira. Ũrathondekire gĩtĩ ira. For he or she, Mwangi arathondekire gĩtĩ ira. Mwangi arathondekire gĩtĩ ira. If I don't want to include the yesterday, I can say Mwangi nĩ arathondekire gĩtĩ. Mwangi nĩ arathondekire gĩtĩ. If I say that, a person who understands Kikuyu will know that I'm talking about yesterday. Our fourth verb is work. Ruta wĩra. Our sentence is, yesterday I worked at the office. I'll say, ira ndirarutire wĩra wabici. Ira ndirarutire wĩra wabici. We ira ũrarutire wĩra wabici. Ira ũrarutire wĩra wabici. By the way, for both, or in this case I can say, to work at the office, ũrarutĩire or ndĩrarutĩire. So I can say, ndĩrarutĩire wĩra wabici. We ũrarutĩire wĩra wabici. Or he or she ararutĩire wĩra wabici. Ararutĩire wĩra wabici. If I worked from home, I can say, ndĩrarutĩire wĩra mũciĩ. Ndĩrarutĩire wĩra mũciĩ. Our fifth verb is cut. Cut is tinia, and other people may say renga. Rega. So to say that I cut meat yesterday, I'll use the word tinia. So I'll say ndiratinirie nyama ira. Ndiratinirie nyama ira. The reason why our verb is ending with rie, tinirie, is because already our verb ends with ia, nia, tinia. So it will end with rie because of the ia in tinia. We uratinirie nyama ira. Uratinirie nyama ira. We aratinirie nyama ira. We aratinirie nyama ira. So now you can go ahead and try with rega. Our next verb is cook. Ruga. Ruga. Now I cooked the meat that I cut yesterday. Ndirarugire nyama ira. Ndirarugire nyama ira. If I want to add the meat that I cut, I will say ndirarugire nyama ĩrĩa ndĩratinirie. Ndirarugire nyama ĩrĩa ndĩratinirie ira. For you, ũrarugire nyama ira. Ũrarugire nyama ira. Or ũrarugire nyama ĩrĩa ũratinirie. For he or she, ararugire nyama ira. Nĩ ararugire nyama ira. To turn on is gwakia. So turn on alone will be akia. So if I wanted to say, I turned on the lights yesterday, I'll say, nĩndĩrakirie matawa ira. Nĩndĩrakirie matawa ira. For you, it's going to be nĩ ũrakirie matawa ira. Nĩ ũrakirie matawa ira. For he or she, it's going to be nĩ arakirie matawa ira. Nĩ arakirie matawa ira. To turn off is kuhoria, but turn off alone will be horia. So I turned off the lights yesterday will be nĩndĩrahoririe matawa ira. Nĩndĩrahoririe matawa ira. We nĩ ũrahoririe matawa ira. We nĩ ũrahoririe matawa ira. Mwangi nĩ arahoririe matawa. Mwangi nĩ arahoririe matawa. Our next verb is take pictures, which is hora bisa. So our sentence is, I took many pictures yesterday. I'll say, ira nĩndĩrahũrire mbica nyingĩ. Ira nĩndĩrahũrire mbica nyingĩ. We nĩ ũrahũrire mbica nyingĩ. Nĩ ũrahũrire mbica nyingĩ. Wanjikũ nĩ arahũrire mbica nyingĩ. Wanjikũ nĩ arahũrire mbica nyingĩ. And by the way, that sentence can also mean she took pictures of me yesterday, or you took pictures of me, many pictures of me yesterday. And finally, we have to refuse. Refuse is rega. Our sentence is, I refused to go home yesterday. I'll say, ira nĩndĩraregire kũinũka. By the way, go home is inoka. Or you can say gũthiĩ mũciĩ, to go home. Gũthiĩ mũciĩ. Or if you want to use just one verb, it will be kũinũka. Ira nĩndĩraregire kũinũka. Ira we nĩ ũraregire kũinũka. Nĩ ũraregire kũinũka. Ira Wanjikũ nĩ araregire gũthiĩ mũciĩ. Ira Wanjikũ nĩ araregire gũthiĩ mũciĩ. I hope this lesson will be helpful to you. If you want to talk about yesterday, this is how you do it. Don't forget the ra in all those tenses. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next lesson that is about the long time ago past tense.